It's great to be with a group that actually knows about Nordstrom, and I don't have to go into a whole lengthy explanation about that. By the way, you know, some of you are probably going to ask, are all the clothes that I'm wearing from Nordstrom? Yes, they are. I bought them a couple days ago. I'll be returning them this afternoon. And if you boil the Nordstrom system down to its essence, down to the one sentence, is that Nordstrom gives the people on the sales floor the freedom to make decisions. And management supports them in those decisions. Do they always make the right decision? Well, you know, of course not. But if you're going to be talking about empowerment, you better let people make mistakes. And then, so they deal with a situation a certain way, and if it didn't work out, you say, well, next time when you're faced with this set of circumstances, try doing it this way instead of that way. As opposed to companies that talk about this empowerment thing, and then somebody makes a mistake, say, you idiot! What were you thinking of? Don't ever do that again. And not only that, they you know, ball you out in front of everybody else. So that person, of course, will never stick his or her neck out ever again because of that, and neither will anyone else. Because word will get around that they're not really sincere about this empowerment thing. So, you know, customer service is not for the faint of heart. You have to have a lot of courage. You have to have a lot of faith in the people who you hire. So it's up to those frontline people to really formulate and maintain those relationships with the customer. Because I've had many Nordstrom salespeople said to me, it may say Nordstrom on the front of the building, but I want people when they think of Nordstrom to think of me.